Hey, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, this is Wesley Virgin here. Hey, what I want to do real quickly in this video here, I want to give you the one thing you could do in your bedroom. Like right now, I'm in my bedroom here. I'm getting ready to go to the gym. That you can do to attract more money, okay? It's just one thing I've been doing for years, okay? I want to show you the one thing that you can do, okay? It doesn't take any skill level. Doesn't matter your age, if you want to attract more money in your life, okay? And you can do this in your bedroom here. One thing about money, if you're not getting money, it's not because you're not doing the right thing, okay? A lot of you are working in your business, working on your job, and you're hustling, you're working hard to make money. But what I've learned is you can attract money. Write that down below. I'm going to teach you how to attract money instead of working hard for money, okay? Does that make sense? So let me flip the video around. Okay, step number one. So when you wake up in the morning, okay, it's important, now listen to me here, it's very important to have money right next to you, okay? So look, this is your head. So instead of having you know, I don't know what you put on your nightstands here, condoms, contraceptives, you know, maxi pad, tampons. I'm not sure what you put on your nightstand, but what I do is I put money here, okay? Does that make sense? It's just money. So when I wake up, my brain is in the alpha state. How many of you know about the states of the brain? If you don't know, go to my bio, click on the link that says www.thegeniescript.com. I explain the different brain states, the brain waves, okay? When your mind is in the alpha state, anything that you hear and experience with your five senses, it starts to be imprinted in the brain. Does that make sense? Okay, that's in your unconscious mind. Like I said, go to my bio to learn more about how to use your brain effectively to attract more abundance here, okay? So, and look, I have my AP watch here. And the reason why I do that is when I wake up, I want to feel rich, okay? Write that down, please. When you wake up, you want to feel rich, okay? A lot of you, when you wake up, you feel poor, you feel broken, you feel depressed, you feel disappointed. Am I making sense here? Let me show you something else. Is everybody with me? Click the like button below if you're with me right now, okay? And listen, share this video and watch it over and over again because you need to condition yourself for wealth. You know, you just can't listen to a video like this one time and expect to attract money. This type of information is new to you, right? You've probably never known that you need to put money around you here. And it doesn't matter how much. It can be dollars. It can be $10, $5. But what's important, if you want more money, you have to be around it. Remember, we get what we think about and what we feel about most of the time. Number two, look, get yourself a money drawer, okay? Just put money all in there. You see that? It doesn't matter if it's $100 bills. It could be $20 bills. I just leave this here, by the way, okay? Look, you get your Midol here. Watch out now. That's another video there. Look at this. You got your stripper money here. This is not stripper money here. This is just, listen, like I'm rich, okay? I go to the bank maybe once a month and I pull out a bunch of money and I just put it in this drawer here, okay? It could be dollar bills here. It could be $100 bills here. See that? $120 bills. But the thing is, when I open up this drawer, what it does subliminally for me, for my mind, it conditions me that money comes in all the time. I want everybody to do something for me before I let you go. I want you to write this down below. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly every single day, okay? Say it with me. I want you to say it with me. Money comes to me easily and effortlessly every single day. And this is an incantation you can use in the morning. And listen, I did this when I was broke, okay? I did this when I had nothing. I did this when I was sleeping on the air mattress. I did this when they took my car. When I had to file bankruptcy. I continue to program my mind for this type of thinking. And it's simple. It doesn't take any money. I mean, as far as you don't have to buy anything, you don't have to invest in anything. Just go to the bank, get a couple of dollars, and all you need to do on your nightstand, if you don't have a nightstand, put it on the floor. See if you're on the air mattress. It's all good. I did it, so it's all good. And just put the money here. Because when you wake up, you will strategically wake up in a good mood. Does that make sense? You're going to prime yourself to feel good that you do have money. If you see money, your brain doesn't know that you're broke, by the way. Your brain doesn't know that you're poor. Your brain doesn't know that you're average. It doesn't know. It only knows what you communicate to it. So what I do is I set myself up in the morning for opulence. So I have my AP watch here. That's $80,000 here. I have my Rolex watch here. It's $10,000. My Louis Vuitton watch here. And what I've noticed when I would put opulence here, money, things that I've bought, and when I see it, I will feel grateful. That's another thing, okay? It'll instantly make me feel grateful that I have earned these things. I'm grateful that I attract money on autopilot. Comment below, please. Gratitude is very important. Listen, I'm going to share this with you, and I'm going to let you go and listen. In my bio, I explain more of this process on how to use your mind power to achieve whatever you want. Don't let other people tell you that you can't manifest. Manifestation is real. Manifestation is powerful once you do it correctly. In my bio, in the link, thegeniescript.com, I explain how it works, how you can take any thought, any desire. It doesn't matter here, okay? One thing that says in the Bible here, and I'm not really a religious man, but my dad's a pastor of a church, and I've been in church for a couple of years back then. Listen, it says, whatever a man want, he can have, okay? I'm paraphrasing. If you seek, you shall find. So what I want you to do is, if you want money, you want to attract money, put money around you, okay? Put money around you so you see money, and it makes you feel that you have money, and then you will see money opportunities. Does that make sense here? All right, so like I said before, this is my money draw right here. Let me turn the camera around one more time here. See that? It's the money draw. And always put money around you. Always put something around you that will make you feel good first thing in the morning. It's very important to do that. Make sure you have a little rose there. All right, guys, I love you so much. I appreciate you. Remember, if you want to subscribe to my OnlyFans account, I'll leave a link below. I give some backdoor content of my lifestyle on my OnlyFans account. I'll leave a link below. Invest in yourself. I'm mentoring people there. I got a couple of hundred people that I'm mentoring directly. If you need me to mentor you to help you succeed in 2021, in the OnlyFans account, subscribe. If not, if you're not looking for a mentor, if you want to do it yourself, that's cool as well. Hey, guys, I love you so much. This is Wesley. Hold up. You know what time it is. This is Wesley.